Start with a slip knot and chain 39, or else you can start off with any odd number of chains. This measures around 11 inches. One single crochet into the second chain from the hook, into this one double crochet into the next stitch, one single crochet into the next stitch, and one double crochet into the next stitch. This is the stitch pattern. Repeat this in rest of the stitches. One single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet, one double crochet, one single crochet into the next stitch, and one double crochet into the next stitch. Now continue with the stitches. Make the last stitch, chain one, and turn your hook. Next turn, one single crochet into the first stitch, one double crochet into the next stitch, one single crochet into the next stitch, and one double crochet into the next stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. The double crochet will have a single crochet and the single crochet will have a double crochet on it. One single crochet into the next stitch and one double crochet into the next stitch. Continue with the stitches. This is how it will look. And make the last stitch, one double crochet into the last stitch, chain one, and turn your hook. Now just keep repeating this round until it's around 8 inches in size. One single crochet into the first stitch, one double crochet into the next stitch, one single crochet into the next stitch, and one double crochet into the next stitch. Continue with the stitches. Repeat this round until it's around 8 inches or until the size which you need. This is how the pattern will look. Now once you reach this size, weave off your yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. Now turn your project lengthwise and we'll do running stitches on the top to punch it off like this. Carefully make the running stitches. And now pull this yarn end over here so that it bunches up. This is how it should look. Bunch it up properly and sew this together. Sew it up to around 3 inches. Be sure not to miss any stitches. Once it's around 3 inches, weave off the yarn. This is how it will look. Make sure the gaps are closed properly. Now the top part is done. Now with the yarn needle, sew these both ends together. Once you reach the heel, the end, just fold this a bit and then make the stitches. This will give you a neat finish. Once you're done, weave off your yarn. This is how it should look. And now turn it inside out. This is how it will look. You can use it as it is, or else you can use a button over here. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.